Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I'm going to do a quick flip through of the mini journal called Salvation. And I made several. They all have different colored covers and so on. Oop. I didn't put any titles on here because I thought if you give this to somebody and it's about salvation and they're not saved, I didn't want it to have salvation. I just didn't think that. I thought that it might be better to leave it off, but that's your call. You can always put it on if you want to. So I added a stitch-in pocket for some journaling paper. This little handmade card. This is all from the kit. The tuck-in, little sewn-on tab. Tags from the kit. This little pocket I made out of a page from a hymnal with the things from the kit tucked into it. Card from the kit. Sewn in doily with a tag. More tags. I used the cards from the kit and just added them to a piece of paper. That's from the kit. Tucked in here. Created a little tuck spot with one of the cards from the kit. Corner pocket. This is the folio that unfolds, and I glued this in here with two pockets made out of a hymnal page. And some of the cards. I just took, I took scrapbooking paper. That's what I'm trying to say. Scrapbooking paper, and just cut tags, and then I glued these smaller items to them to make bigger tags. And there's some cards from the kit, tuck spot. Here's the 4-flap unfolder, box fold, and cards that are stuck in each pocket. And let's see. This has the Salvation folio. So there's steps to being saved. If you wanted to give this to somebody who maybe isn't saved and you just want to give them a gift as a witness, you know that these steps are always in here whenever they want to look at them. When they're alone and you're not there, and they might feel like they want to know without anybody asking questions, or if they're more of a private person, that might be the way to go. So I took a paper doily, folded it in half, glued it down the middle, across the bottom, or actually the whole back, and just folded the edges down to create two tuck spots. There's the ribbon sliders from the kit. A pocket with the card from the kit. A little dangle. There's a snippet roll that I sewed on the edge, and a little bulldog clip with a little card from the kit, another card from the kit, and pocket. Card from the kit. And here's a little 6-pocket tuck thing that I made out of a hymnal, and some more of the things from the kit. A card that I created another tag and added that to it. Velvet tab, and another card, and that is it. So that's what that came out to be. And of course, everyone's just a little bit different. And then when I give it to somebody, I will just go in there and add some more personalized items. People love to have photographs, so tuck in a few photographs, and that will make sure that they hold on to this. If you're using it to witness to somebody, that's a great way to make it into a keepsake form, is to have photographs. So that is that. And I thank you for watching. And if you like the video, click like. Think about subscribing. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.